In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coloring book with ChatGPT. This process is not only fascinating, but also incredibly rewarding, allowing you to craft personalized and engaging coloring materials right at your fingertips. So, let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to open up a web browser and head over to Google. Once there, in the search bar, type in ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the powerful platform we'll be using to get our creative juices flowing, so accessing it is the first step. After you've hit enter, simply click on the link that leads you to the ChatGPT website. The ChatGPT interface is quite user-friendly and should be easy to navigate. You'll want to pay special attention to the prompt input area, as this is where the magic of generating your coloring book content happens. Now, let's get into crafting the content of your coloring book. In the prompt input field, you'll want to carefully type a creative prompt. This could be something like, generate an outline for a whimsical animal-themed coloring book. Or perhaps, create intricate floral designs for a mindfulness coloring book. The key here is specificity. The more detailed your prompt, the better the output you'll receive from ChatGPT, as it thrives on concise directions. With your prompt ready, go ahead and click on the Submit button. This step is crucial because it sends your ideas into the expansive processing space of ChatGPT, where it will begin to formulate notions and visuals that align with your request. Remember, this AI is trained on vast data, so it's equipped to deliver unique and unexpected results that could spark creativity for your project. Next, you'll see ChatGPT's response to your prompt in real time. This brings us to the fine-tuning process. You might want to iterate by refining your prompt based on the initial output. This could mean adding more detail, altering themes, or even expanding on a particular aspect that caught your eye. You can simply type an adjusted prompt into the search bar and submit once more. Keep repeating this cycle of input and refinement until you're satisfied with the different elements for your coloring book. Whether it's storylines, character sketches, or pattern designs, each iteration brings you closer to the final product of a unique coloring book. As you collect these creative outputs, make sure to organize them into a coherent structure that suits your book's theme and audience. With all these components ready, you can now proceed to compile them using any editing tools you prefer. And there you have it, your very own coloring book inspired by the versatility of ChatGPT, waiting to be printed and filled with color. With some practice and exploration within ChatGPT, you can produce countless variations of high-quality creative coloring books. Enjoy the process and happy coloring!